Everyone to Global FX Radio's YouTube Forex Recap. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton, November 17th, 2008. What a day. What a day. What a 24 hours. And I say 24 hours because hopefully everyone knows about the G20 statement. Hopefully you listen to my radio broadcast on globalfxradio.com. Again, I pretty much have lost my voice. I apologize, and doing the YouTubes on the weekends, I do enough. I need my rest. After weekends in South Beach, I'll tell you, I certainly need them. Anyway, the G20 coming out with nothing. These guys suck. They couldn't even come to anything. Sarkozy, I know Bush is a lame duck, but they couldn't get anything done. We really have to wait till Obama's president, I guess, till they can get anything done, which truly sucks, because that just means things are going to get worse and worse and worse. So hopefully my voice won't get worse and worse and worse. Anyway, you're looking at the dollar index today, and again, industrial production of the U.S. a little bit better, empire manufacturing a little bit better. Big deal. Still negative gazillions. Yeah, empire manufacturing is just so negative. So look at this dollar index. I know it's calling for that big move, that big capitulation, right? That big reversal on Thursday. But I got to tell you, people, we made some nice comeback on Friday. We were able to buy that pullback, and we bought the pullback, and we cleaned up, especially that move late in the day. Now, once the stock market collapsed late in the day, that was another story, and we got out. But we had a very good day. Now, filling in the gap yesterday, last night, that was just incredible how we actually went through the gaps. So we actually lost money last night. We did well in the open. We were able to short that bounce right out in the open at the market on Sunday night. But, boy, sterling yen filling in the gap. Sterling dollar looking like the relative strength winner for a change. Anyway, look at the dollar index. We'll get to it. Here we go. Dollar index, again, to me, still looks bullish. When you take a look at this dollar index here, I mean, come on. This still, as long as 86 is not breached, I know we have a shooting star here, I understand, but we need to close below 86, and then I'll get very bearish on the dollar index. Until then, cable's going to probably outperform tonight. You got this channel line right here. Come on, move it up. I'm rolling my mouse. So right there, so we got to close below 86. That would be a big level. So dollar index to me still looks bullish. And on the other side, dollar index has to close above 88. Really 87.80 for me to get bullish on that. Look at the euro dollar on the daily chart. I know it made a nice comeback and it filled in the gap, but you take a look at this hourly chart, it's really got to break through this whole 126.70 level. Top of the channel tier. Channel trading 101, baby. Look at that. We got out right around here. That's where we were long. We saw the flag, looking for that big move higher, and that was it. Now rolling over. Now they're going to break it down to break it out to break it down. And certainly this euro dollar now should be breached in these levels. Looking very weak. So euro dollar to me, I'm looking to short it into strength. I'm not looking to sell it down here. Even if it goes lower, I'm looking for a sale up around this 127 level, 127.10. That'd be my spot to sell it. I think the stock market's going to be weaker. I think the stock market closed terrible. And the same applies to this dollar yen. Listen, if you've been following this market, these Asian moves are freaking insane. They give you so much opportunities to get short. So, I mean, look at this dollar yen. Dollar yen daily looks like nothing. So, this wedge, we broke this whole wedge. People are going to get squeezed. I'm looking to sell this dollar yen up here at 97. Why do I need to be shorted here? It's hammering. It looks good for a trade, actually. So dollar yen to me, I'm looking to sell the strength. Looks like it's going to have a pop first. Asia has been nuts. It's up huge, down huge. I mean, these Asian moves are so illiquid. It's such a joke. When will these market makers stand up and take some freaking sides? These guys are chicken in the Asian session. I understand it's rollover from U.S. to Asia, but come on, guys. What a joke. So look at this sterling dollar. That is rolling over. I said on my radio broadcast that we might be, if we hammer here, we still have 13 minutes until the close, and if we can get this sterling dollar up to about 150.10, it's going to be, I'd say, They break it down to break it out, right? The wedge, same thing. But we certainly crossed the upside, right? Certainly crossed the upside on the 1020 EMAs, flagging nicely. I got to tell you, I think cable has one more push higher. I think we're in this uptrend channel. I think we get up to 150, 150. That even looks like this spot. I think I saw, no, it was lower. What is it? Yeah, this 150, 150 level. Bang. That's what it was. I knew I saw it before. So when we see it looks like cable, is going to get up there. I'm looking to buy cable on pullbacks. I'm shorting it up at 150, 150. But I think it could basically be a nice, there's a breakout. Sterling dollar, I mean, the daily chart, you take a look here. And I think that sterling appreciates against the Australian. I think it appreciates against the Canadian. I think the pound is going to be a winner across the board tonight. Euro sterling, we're going to look at that in a second. God, I hate having no voice. I have to talk so calm. I can't scream. Some of you are probably very happy about that, actually. Just take a vote. See if you want me to talk like this always. But look at the daily chart. This looks good. Again, pop up to the 10 exponential. Why the hell not? That's 153.20. I still think 151.50 is an easier trade. But sterling, come on, look what this thing has gone from. This thing has absolutely collapsed. So I think it's just due for a bounce. Certainly on a downtrend channel basis as well. We'll take a look at this downtrend channel. Where do you think it touches? G. So the downtrend channel pretty much intersects with the 10 exponential. Huh. Right, they mean nothing. Channel trading mean nothing. Using exponential moving averages means nothing. Oh, you people, your emails to me. I want to reach out in your email and grab you by the throat and shake you. It kills me. Okay, whatever. All you know-it-alls out there. I love it. Again, sorry. This wasn't directed towards most of you. I know most of you love me, but you can imagine some of the annoying comments I get. You called the bottom, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. I'll change my tune in a New York freaking minute. So you better try premium for 1 week. Come in and ask the people. Ask my people if they're making money. Absolutely. GlobalFXRadio.com to sign up. Looking at Euro sterling on a daily basis, I think we pull back. Probably to the 10 exponential. More so, I'd say really this 83.50 level. 83.50, 83. I think Euro sterling pulls back to. Let's take a look at this Euro yen. Relative strength loser today. Absolutely. Hourly chart, I'm going to look at the daily. I'm sorry, daily chart first. Look at the daily. Nice little comeback, right? No hammer, no soup for you. So we're going to be looking to short this again, probably 123 level, 123.50. See our channel line here. So right around that 123 level, we'll be looking to short that Euro yen. Listen, if you think Asia is not with being volatile and giving great opportunities to get involved in great trades, you're nuts. So put your orders out there, and you never know. You never know. Just like the lotto, you never know. Come on. Oh, I'm freezing up. Uh-oh, this isn't good. There we go. So Euro yen on the hourly chart. This line. So we take a look here. Now, again, we broke this wedge. The same wedge that was broken, okay, is broken out to the downside. This now looks good. I think this can rally just like we saw in dollar yen. I think we can get a rally up to the top of the channel, somewhere around this 123.20 level. And that's what I'm putting it out. I don't care. I might even get long this thing. I might even get long. Hey, if it takes out the lows of 120, 150, I'm gone. Big deal. 50 pips. I'm going to make 100 pips on the long and then make 200 pips on the short. I think the stock market will be down tomorrow. Looking at sterling yen, the same thing. I think we might push for the highs, maybe even 147. Something like this, 146.50, 147, and then have a reversal. But there's a nice hammer going into the close at 5 o'clock. We get bullish engulfing, you got to get long. Andrew Spanton, Global FX Radio YouTube, with your daily recap Have a good night trading. Hopefully my voice gets better tomorrow.